So thanks for clicking on my video. My name is Eric Allen. I'm a foot and ankle specialist here at Neospine. So I did my undergraduate at BYU and I got a degree in zoology there. Then went to San Francisco, the California College of Podiatric Medicine for my medical training. Followed that, coming up here to the Great Northwest where I did my residency, my surgical training at Madigan Army Hospital there at Fort Lewis. It's the people that make my job wonderful. I enjoy having someone come in with a problem. It just happens to be their foot and ankle, and sit down with them and to figure out what's going on, what's the best way to help them through that problem. We really get to wear different hats in podiatry because we're really a dermatologist when it comes to the skin and the problems with the foot. We get to wear the hat of a sports medicine. We get to work with athletes and weekend warriors that have tendonitis, heel pain, plantar fasciitis. We also see a lot of Achilles tendonitis and the ailments that go along with helping someone transition back to where they're back to their sport or even just mowing the lawn. In podiatry, we often, within a few visits or two, really can help solve that problem and manage that in a conservative way and even a surgical way where we can repair them and put them back into a healthy lifestyle. So what I really enjoy about Neospine is there seems to be someone here to fix or solve the problems that arise. And it makes my job as a podiatrist and a foot and ankle surgeon wonderful because there's a lot of complications with people and their needs, and it seems like from the medical staff and the receptionist to just the services and the relationships they have with the community that make working here just wonderful.